Welcome to our channel. Today we how to activate Google Nest Speaker for room-based device control, beginner guide step by step clearly. To activate your Google Nest Speaker for room-based device control, begin by placing your speaker in the desired room. Ensure that your Google Nest Speaker is plugged into a power source. Download and install the Google Home app on your smartphone or tablet if you haven't already. Open the Google Home app and sign in with your Google account. Tap the plus icon in the top left corner to add a new device. Select Set Up Device from the menu. Choose New Devices to find and add your Google Nest Speaker. The app will prompt you to select the home or space where the device is located. Follow the on-screen instructions to connect the speaker to your Wi-Fi network. Once connected, the app will notify you that the speaker is ready to set up. After the speaker confirms that it's connected, give it a name that reflects its location, like living room speaker. Now, you can set up and control compatible smart devices in the same room. In the Google Home app, tap the plus icon again and select Set Up Device. Choose Works with Google to link your smart home devices. Search for the brand of your smart device and sign in to your account to link it. Assign these smart devices to the specific room, ensuring they match the name of your Google Nest Speaker. Once all devices are assigned, you can control them using voice commands through your Nest Speaker. For example, say, "Hey Google, turn off the lights in the living room." Enjoy the convenience of controlling your room-based devices through your Google Nest Speaker. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.